How's it going at home? Use this mushroom bag to grow this large Ganoderma bonsai. Isn't the one I showed you particularly big? Do you want Ganoderma lucidum to grow bigger? Natural bacteria are also big. And then his fungus bag is also big. Like the one I showed you. That colored powdered Ganoderma lucidum. And then what about this bigger one? Because the bacteria are already fermented. They are all the wooden windlass of this sasuk. Wood section. Ganoderma lucidum has already appeared. Like this. Just put it in this shed. And after that, let's cover it with 2 to 3 centimeters of soil. Normally, just make sure the soil is moist. Just let it grow normally and naturally. We all know that we have hundreds of pots of Ganoderma lucidum at home. I brought this to you. Our large Ganoderma lucidum ornament. Large Ganoderma bonsai. Hey, it's almost spring, and I've started planting again.